the novel coronavirus continues to ravage Brazil, with the number of new infections spiraling out of control. It is becoming increasingly difficult for doctors in the Amazon to continue to venture into the jungle to test for the virus and provide much-needed care.
We had the boat coming once a month, but due to the pandemic in Manaus, they stopped coming and we've been left unprotected. Thank God they came back now and they're seeing people and testing, which for us, here in the interior, is impossible.
With close to 500,000 confirmed cases, the Minister of Health says the real number could be 15 times higher due to lack of testing. Yet President Jair Bolsonaro remains unfazed, as he took selfies and embraced supporters at a roadside restaurant outside the capital. And Brazil is not alone. Cases have spiked in Chile too. The country has now surpassed China with more than 94,000 confirmed cases. Hospitals are running out of beds in the capital, Santiago, and authorities are concerned that young people flaunting social distancing guidelines might be contributing to the spread of the virus.
We've seen a particular situation that worries us. We've seen that more than 50% of people who are infected are young people under 40, and we've seen that about 12% of people who are hospitalised are also young people under 40.
Deaths and infections are also on the rise in Colombia, which has so far managed to slow the spread of the virus with one of the earliest and strictest lockdowns. But the government, worried by the high level of unemployment that reached 20% in April, have announced the reopening of stores and malls on Monday. Yet some mayors, like in the capital Bogotá, decided to extend the lockdown measures until June 15th. Mexico too is bracing for a planned easing of restrictions next week. While deaths and infections keep rising, doctors and nurses took to the streets of the capital, Mexico City, to protest the deaths of their colleagues and a lack of supplies, in a country they fear might be reopening too fast. Alessandro Rampietti, Al Jazeera.